Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account, an Azure subscription, and access to an Azure DevOps organization. Once done, compare the official exam objectives to your current skills so you target gaps. Next, create an Azure DevOps project, add a repository, and configure a basic pipeline. This immediately turns theory into practice. Make sure to enable permissions for your user and connect Azure resources. This practical start saves time and builds confidence as you move into deeper study. Now tackle the core skills. Build continuous integration and deployment pipelines with YAML, then compare with classic pipelines so you understand both approaches. Once you can commit, trigger pipelines, and inspect logs, expand to boards, repos branching strategies, and package management with artifacts. Make sure to practice infrastructure as code and integrate security and monitoring checks into pipelines so you demonstrate end-to-end capabilities. Regularly attempt timed practice labs that simulate exam scenarios to solidify problem-solving under pressure. Complete the process by scheduling your exam after passing multiple timed mock tests and reviewing weak topics. Once scheduled, consolidate quick reference notes with common commands, YAML snippets, and deployment patterns so you can revise efficiently. On exam day, pace yourself, read scenarios carefully, and apply practical lab experience to answers. If your pipelines fail in practice, first check service connections, agent pools, and access permissions. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues and teaches you why failures occur and how to prevent them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.